Hey friends, I'm here to do an unboxing. Kind of do an unboxing. This is an IPSY unboxing. I haven't done an IPSY unboxing in quite a few years. So I did go ahead and restore my subscription so that I could get a few of these boxes as I'm starting to run out of everything. And so this is my first one since I think 2023. So let's open it together. All right, I will be coming back after this video with another video with a collective reading for the 8/8 portal, which is today. So I'm full of product here and I can't wait to see what I got. Okay, the first thing I see is, look at the bag. That is so cute. Isn't that ironic that it looks like a card? Playing card. Okay, first product is Laura Geller lengthening mascara for never ending lashes. I can't see. I am as blind as a bat. So it looks like it's going to be in a gold container. That's so cool. Ooh, look at that. It's called On and On Lengthening Mascara. This is actually one of the things I really needed bad. Yes, I love it. Right on. Okay, next product. This is called Dae, D-A-E. It is Dream Veil Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. This is the Signature Citrus Broom Perfume. So let's give it a smell. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that smells so good. That is so summery. I love it, but it's got like, it's citrus, but it has a touch of cream in there too. Okay, next product, Polite Society Cabana Club. This is a blurring bronzer. It is talc-free, hyaluronic acid, soft focus. Look at the packaging. So cute. This is the color French Riviera. Good, I can't wait to see it. I love, this is clean formula. Vegan marjoram extract, no parabens, no cruelty-free, talc-free, and also no mineral oil. It says it's a buzz button blend. I'm not sure what that means, but look at the inside of that. Oh my goodness. I go crazy over cool packaging. Love. Look at, it's purple. It says Polite Society. Let's check out this color. Ooh, that's dark. I love it though. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Next, we have a Lip Haze Blurring Lip Liner Duo called by Half Caked. Let's check this one out. It's pink. Oh, it's pink. It's pink. Okay, so it's got this color on one end, and it has the liner for that color on the other end, and it's a very beautiful color. Yay, love that. Okay, next product is made by Red Flower. It's a cleansing hair wash with Palo Santo. That's amazing. I love that. Let's see how it smells. Oh, did it get on me? It smells like Palo Santo. Love it. Okay, one more product real quickly, guys. We've got Delish Powder Blush Duo. Peachy Keen is the name. Super cute packaging. Peachy Keen. Okay. Of course I'm going to drop it. I bet it broke in there too. Let's see. Oh, thank goodness, no breakage. Peachy Keen, they make really good makeup. How beautiful. It says Fab Squad. Those are gorgeous colors. Okay, that's it. That's all, you guys. Real quickly, got the mascara, lipstick, lip liner, bronzer, hair wash, and a really tough powder blush bronzer duo, and then I got the yummy smelling. Eee! Great haul for a first time back with my subscription. I'm not going to keep it for too long. I'm just going to stock up on a few products and then I'll suspend it again. But I just wanted to say really quickly before I jump off here, I will be back shortly to do a collective reading for the 8/8 portal. So be sure and check my channel for that. It should be coming right after this. All right. I hope everybody's having a beautiful, beautiful day. I hope your 8/8 portal, you are using that amazing energy to manifest greatness in your life. And if you feel like you may need to receive a message for your 8/8 portal, be sure and come back and check me out. And it'll be my next video. Thanks again for watching. Blessed be.